Hey, you're with Sal in the Trenches MOTOLAB. Today we're removing the chain on a 2019 FC 350 Husqvarna. Really pretty much the same procedure for removing any clip type rivet master link. So first step is to find the master link. Clip type master link's really easy to spot. It has this different outer plate. That is the clip that holds on the master link. So this, I'll put a flathead screwdriver right on the back of the open end of that clip. Give it a hit with the back of my palm. Then you don't have to be that hard. And off comes the pin. Oftentimes, you can then get your screwdriver in behind the link like this, flathead, and start working that master link off. That one was a little stubborn. You heard it pop a little bit. This chain's going in the trash. You're not worried about the chain, just don't want to break a screwdriver. Okay, and there you have it. There's the master link, and then once you have that off, that just pushes, that master pushes through. This is an O-ring chain, so these O-rings just come off and fall on the floor. There you have it. At that point, you just pull that right on through. Got a good 60 hours on this chain. That's a lot. Kept it clean.